Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete a Snapchat account. Messages, pictures, and videos will disappear forever. Some seconds after the recipient takes a look at them. Just as your messages dissolve in a heartbeat, Snapchat has made it as fast and straightforward to deactivate Snapchat and make your whole account disappear forever too. It's time to face it. It isn't quite the social media juggernaut it once was, and you might want to let it go. Whatever your reason for leaving, we are here to help you through the process. One thing to keep in mind is that you can't delete your Snapchat account using the Android app. You can, however, use an Android browser to delete your Snapchat account. Here's the process from a browser, which is the same if you're using an Android browser. First, go to Snapchat account's portal page from any browser. Second, enter your username and hit next. Enter your password and hit next. Now, click on delete my account. Then, enter your username and password once again. Then, select continue all the way at the bottom. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another videos.